Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Enjin coin holder is doing a very big mistake at this time, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. My friends, if you do this mistake at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so you are in the profit. Because you know what, at this time it is the end of month. A lot of people going to do this mistake, but don't do this mistake. If you do, so you are in the loss, and if you don't do, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit. Let's start the video, friends. But I request everyone at this time, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video. My friends, the latest price of the Enjin coin at this time in the market is 1.71 USD dollar. That is the latest in current price of the Enjin coin in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Enjin coin, absolutely my friends, I'm very happy, I'm satisfied with the Enjin coin. You can see that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative. The whole changes occur in the Enjin coin at this time is going positive, my friends. So I'm very happy to do. At this time, the Enjin coin is a unique cryptocurrency, which is the whole last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is going positive. And you know what? It is the end of month. At this time, every cryptocurrency is fast down. So that is why I really recommend Enjin coin for all of you. You can see here in the start, that is the last 1 month price chart. In the start of May, the price of the Enjin coin is start falling down. But on the 22 May, they start up, and now you can see here once again the price is gradually fast down. So that is why at this time the hold is doing a very big mistake. The mistake is that you can see that is the last 1 month price chart, and the price change occurred in the last 1 month as negative 31.863%. And if you decide to sell Enjin at this time, so you can see that the pricing is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss. And on the other side, if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a lot of chances to the price change will become positive. And when the price change become positive, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit from the Enjin coin. What you think? What is your prediction about Enjin coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.